Hey everyone, welcome to Practically. We bring learning alive. So in today's NTSE concept video, let us see how to solve linear equations in two variables. So this is one of the most requested topics from the students. As on the other day when I was taking live session on the same topic, that is linear equations in two variables, there were many comments asking for, ma'am, how do I know that for this particular problem I have to use elimination method or substitution method? So once and for all, we will clearly understand how to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables. There are three methods, right? We will go one by one and let's begin. First, let us just take few examples of pair of linear equations in two variables. Two variables, I am considering x and y here. You can take p or q. You can take m and any two variables you can take. So, my first example is x minus 7y plus 42 equals to 0. Next is x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is my one pair. You can frame any number of equations, correct? So, let us do minus 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Minus x plus 14y minus 3 equals to 0. So, this is another example. So, I am just taking examples here. By now, you have to understand, right? It's a pair of linear equations. This is also one pair of linear equations. But how to solve or which method to apply is the question. Let us start it. So, to solve linear equations in two variables, there are three methods: substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Substitution method. So what we'll do is we'll take that example only. I'm considering this example, okay? Let us take the same example and solve this in all the three different methods. So you'll understand which method is taking more time, right? Okay, so let me just check the equations and let us take. So what are the equations? X minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0 and x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Right? What is meant by substitution method? Let us see. I can write this as x is equals to 40 minus 42 plus 7y. Correct? This is my equation 1. This is my equation 2. Now I am substituting equation 1 in equation 2 or substituting the x value minus 42 plus 7y in equation 2. Let us do it. So, yeah. So, this will be minus 42 plus 7y. This is x, correct? Minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. So, instead of x, I have substituted this value. So, plus 7y minus 3y, 4y, minus 42 minus 6 minus 48. So, 4y minus 48 is equal to 0. 4y is equal to 48. Y is 12. So, I got the value of y, that is 12. Now, to get x value, what do we have to do? Just substitute this y is equal to 12 in any of the given equations. Let me substitute in this, okay? So, x is equals to minus 42 plus 7 of 12. So, this is minus 42 plus 84. So, what is this? 42. Now, I got y equals to 12 and x is equals to 42. And what is this method? Substitution method. I hope the substitution method is clear. Now, let me move on to elimination method, okay? So, let's begin. Let's take the same example, okay? Because you'll understand. X minus 7y plus 42 equals to 0 and x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Correct? This is our example. Now, elimination. So, to continue for the process of elimination method, you have to check which variable can I eliminate here. The easier way is I can eliminate x using a mathematical operation of subtraction or addition. I can add two equations or I can subtract two equations so as to eliminate one variable. So, in this, both are positive. So, when I subtract these, one, I can eliminate x, right? Simple. So, subtract. So, when you subtract, what happens? This will be plus will become minus, minus will become plus, minus will become plus again. So x minus x 0, we have eliminated the variable x. Minus 7y plus 3y minus 4y plus 48 is equal to 0. Again, minus 4y is equal to minus 48, y equals to 12, right? Okay. Now same thing, I should get the value of x. What do I have to do? Just substitute this y value in any of these two equations, then you'll be getting the answer. Let us do that also. So x minus 7 of 12 plus 42 equals to 0. X minus 84 plus 42 equals to 0. Same thing, x is 42. Correct? Easy. Did you find elimination method easy or substitution method easy? Do type in the comments, okay? And before you comment, let us also see what is a cross multiplication method, okay? I'm sure you have studied all these in your class 10, but this is one of the most requested topics. That is why I'm making a clear cut video, okay? Now, again, x minus 7y plus 42 equals to 0. X minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, here we know that the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. We know that this is a general form, right? This is a general form of the linear equations in two variables. Now, what am I doing is, what is a1 here? 1, correct? So, and what is b1? Minus 7. What is c1? 42. With this, you can also tell what is a2, b2 and c2. Now, what do we have to do? First, write x here, y here, 1 here. This is the first step, okay? Now, here write b1, c1, a1, again b1. What will you do down? b2, c2, a2, b2. Simple, very easy. Now, just put these arrows, okay? This you can do, right? Easy. Now, x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. So, what is b1 here? Minus 7. Minus 7 into b1 c2. What is c2? Minus 6. Minus b2 c1. b2 minus 3. c1 42 minus 3 into 42. Alright. Did you understand? Same thing you can do for y. y by c1 a2 42 minus c2 a1 c2 a1 minus of minus 6. 1 by a1 b2 a1 b2 minus 3 minus of a2 b1 a2 b1 minus 7. Done. Simple. Now you can just equate. Very easy. So this is the last step of cross multiplication. So let me do this. X by 7 times 6, 42. 42 plus 3 times 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 126. So to get x value, I am equating this and this. Correct? Minus 3 plus 7, 4. Again, 4x is equal to 1. So this is 8, this is 6, this is 1. 4 times 4, 4 times 2. X is equal to 42. Right? So after getting one value, that is value of one variable, you can either substitute it or you can just take this also. So let us do this way, okay? Because we have already seen substitution. So this will be y by 42 plus 6. 48 is equal to 1 by 4. Now 4y is equal to 48. This means y is equal to 12. Right? So in all these cases, we got x is equal to 42, y is equal to 12. Now you can compare yourself while doing same linear equation or same pair of linear equations in two variables in all these three different methods and see whichever you feel easy And that is not the only point. You have to also check which method, if I apply, the problem is getting solved faster. That is the catch, right? So you can't apply this complete cross multiplication method in your NTSE exam or any competitive exam, right? It's like very tedious task. You will take such long time to solve this. But if you go for substitution or rather elimination method, it's very easy. It's very quick to solve, correct? Now that you have understood how to solve using substitution, elimination and cross multiplication method, I hope your doubts are cleared. And yeah, take any two pair of linear equations in two variables and sit and solve. You can check, right? I hope the topic is clear and your preparation for NTSE is going good. So yes, do download the Practically app and enroll for the free NTSE Fast Track course. Okay? Okay. I hope it's clear. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Bring learning alive practically.